As you probably noticed, Coppell ISD has moved to Mosul Manager for our device management platform. That means that you will now download apps for your iPad and books for your iPad in the Manager app. To do this, open up the Manager app, and then at the bottom you will see a few different tabs. If you select the My Apps tab, you will see all the apps that are available for you to download. They are listed alphabetically, so you can just scroll through and search, or you can tap in the search box and search for the particular app that you would like to download. In this case, I'm going to download the Schoology app. To download the app, just hit the reinstall/update button. It's going to send the command to your device, and the Schoology app will be downloaded.